Hello student, today we learn science lesson number 5th, that is substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. See page number 32 of your textbook, there is lesson number 5th. See, they are given first. Can you recall, name the solid, liquid and gaseous states of water? In the previous standard, we have learned about this, that is the which are solid substances, which are liquid and which are is in the gaseous state. So name any one example of solid. See, ice is a solid state, then liquid, water is a liquid state, and in the gaseous form, yes, vapor is a gaseous state of water. These are the states of water, which is in the solid, liquid and gaseous state of water. Then change of state of substance. See, try this. They are given one experiment, and that experiment is take pieces of wax in a bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. Wax means main. Okay, take that wax pieces and heat them. See, as shown in picture, spirit lamp, then melting wax and pieces of wax showing in pot. And first it is in a solid state. Then how do the pieces of wax change? See, first it is in a solid state, then it becomes, after some heating, it becomes liquid, and after that it vaporizes. Then what was the initial state of wax? Yes, initial state of wax is a solid. What did it get converted into? And it converted into vapor, some vapors. Okay, or it converted into liquid form. Now keep the same bowl in cold water. What happened? And after heating, take that bowl and keep it in cold water. Then what happening? Then melting wax becomes now goes in a solid state. When a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of state of the substance. That means it is changes of forms. When a substance changes from one state to another, there is a change in only state. That means it firstly in a solid, and after heating it becomes in a liquid state. And this process is called change of state of the substance. Then next, can you read this list of substances? See, spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride, that we call Navsagar. See, there in this picture shown various substances. See, some are naphthalene balls, then Navsagar ammonium chloride, and ghee also given, as well as camphor also showing. Okay, or spirit. Then here some questions we have to ask. Which one freeze in winter? Which one freeze in winter? Yes, obviously coconut oil, we know that, ghee. These substances in winter becomes freeze. Okay. Then second question is, which liquid have you seen changes into vapor? Which liquid? We know that spirit, that liquid. We have to know that it becomes vaporized, as well as petrol, very less amount. Okay. Then which solids directly change into the gaseous state? Which solid directly change into the gaseous state? In the previous standard we have learned that naphthalene balls, okay, as well as camphor. These solids directly changes into the gaseous state, from liquid to directly into the gaseous. Okay. Another substance is what type one? First it is in solid, then became liquid, and then became gaseous. But naphthalene balls and camphors, it is in a solid state normally, and it vaporizes directly. Not it becomes in a liquid form. Okay, that became directly changed in the gaseous state. Then, what do we learn from this? The state of substance changes if it is heated or cooled. Yes, and every substance in our surroundings is found in either solid, liquid, or gaseous state. We know that the state of substance changes if it is heated or cooled, and every substance in our surroundings is found in either solid, liquid, or gaseous state. Okay, student. Then see here given some information in the past. In the 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristics properties of substances depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles in it. It is shown by scientist Willard Gibbs. Okay, student. So today we will stop here, and what we have learned today, that is when substance changes from one state to another, the process is called a change of state of the substance. As well as we learn that there are three states of substances, every substances, that is solid, liquid, or gaseous, and when the substance we have cooled or heated, then its state becomes changed. Okay, student. So bye bye.